Hello guys, what's up? This is Cynthia from Refrigeration, and I'm in Focusun title factory now. Today, I will randomly check some types ice machine in Focusun factory. This is the Focusun 10 tons tube ice machine. Now let us to check its compressor. It uses Gemini Bizarre compressor, and let us check its certification. We use the phone to scan the QR code. Now we can see it will show up Bizarre website. It shows checking successful. With same model. Now we check another machine. This is Focusun 15 tons flake ice machine. Its compressor. It uses 2 sets Bizarre compressor. We also check its certification. Also use scan the QR code. It also shows the website. Also 28 model. Checking successful. And we check another compressor. Checking successful. So 2 compressors have certification. Such as Bizarre brand, we also can tailor-made other types compressor, such as Refcomp, Danfoss, Fusheng. We can do anything you want. If any interest or question, welcome to contact us. Bye, have a nice day.